Alright boys, today we got the 300 out and it just rained like, I don't know how much, a crap ton last night, and our entire woods is completely flooded. I don't know if you can see this. It goes clear down there and then there's a whole nother spot all the way back here behind this hill over here. But yeah, it's like from here on over, it's all like rack deep, and then right there it gets to like, it probably gets to like here, I guess. Somewhere around here on my 300. Over there, just in here, it's like here, around there. So yeah, we're gonna get to ripping. All right, that's like rack deep, and then further down it gets deeper. But yeah, we just had a lot of rain last night. Well, actually the past 2 nights actually, we had a lot of rain. And the creek finally got high enough to where it got into it. That right down there is the creek. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry for not posting any videos. I've tried filming 2 videos and for some reason my footage keeps getting corrupted on my GoPro. So we're gonna see if it works this time, but I also videoed on my phone too. So if we don't got any videos, then I might post a short one. But yeah, the 300s are actually running really good. I had to drain the gas out of the bowl because I got water in my tank, in my gas tank, and then it started going into my bowl. So I'm soon gonna have to dump out my gas and put new in. But for right now, I just put new gas into it just to make this video. This is the deeper spot. This is where I filmed the videos with the iPhone, or with my phone. So you're gonna get some of those clips. That's the deepest spot through here. See all the water's rushing into the woods now and filling up the woods. See how deep it is? This ain't even the deep spot. The deeper spot's up here. This is kind of a sketchy spot too because I still got air in my tires, or at least a little bit of air in my tires, and it wants to float and flip. We're gonna see how deep it actually is. Put it down to the ground. It's like bars, handlebars, deep, spitting out crap out of my vent lines. This is our normal woods. This is where I usually ride, just like on dry land. And it's all underwater. On like, under like 4 or 5 feet of water. It's running really good actually. I was trying to film those other 2 videos that I said got corrupted, and it kept wanting to cut off, and then I figured out why. It's because I got water in my fuel. So I drained my bowl and put new fuel in it. Now we're back in action and we're making some videos. I haven't even been through this part. And then there's a big stump somewhere too. There's a big stump right up here or something. I think it's right there. I honestly don't. Oh, I have a mud pit right here. I wonder how deep that is. Yeah, it's literally just a little hole that I dug out of to build this jump. Might tip here. It's getting deeper. See, this is fun because I can just sit here and just wheelie it all the way around the woods. This is like, I don't know how deep this actually is. I think it's pretty deep through here though. Probably get some bars, handlebars. Tipping really bad right now. And floating my front end. And we're turning. That is not where we want to go. We're gonna go check that other woods. This is gonna be pretty deep, I think. Yeah, that's the creek right there. Look how high it is. Oh yeah, this one is flooded. These mud holes are gonna be deep. This is actually a pretty shallow. This is one of the smaller mud holes and it's already rack deep. This one up here is what I've been interested in. So this is new to me. I don't know how. Holy! That just dropped off. And this is the shallow part of this mud hole. That is wild. Up here it gets even deeper. Now we're in the mud. It's not wanting to stay running. Or like, it's like cutting off kind of. Well, I'm soaked now, so we might as well go through. We're really dumping out water. Holy Moses. Oh, I think we're gonna go over. Oh my gosh. How did I not get water on my waders? How? Yeah, this is where we usually go into the creek. Look how deep it is. Kind of wild. This is gonna get deep through here. I don't even remember where to go, hardly. I know that's a ditch. We're supposed to go through here. Around here, it drops off here. Maybe footsteps. Well, foot pegs deep, usually. And it's past bars. Well, past, yeah, just the racks. We're like probably 6 inches past bars, handlebars. Not wanting to run right. Not wanting to run right. Oh my! This is gonna be deep. Alright, well that's going to be the end of the video. This is flooded. That over there is flooded. So we'll probably make another one in this soon. So yeah, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.